All right, today I am changing out the AC condenser in the front of the 97 Land Cruiser. Look at that, falling apart. It is falling apart. So you can see how wet it is all on through here. I charged it and it leaked out. I thought it might be leaking from the O-rings at all the connection points, but it's not, I don't think. I think it's actually the tank. So the tank's falling apart. So I've got her loosened up, all the crap off of the thing there. So we'll get her all taken apart here, and got the new one in there, and also the new receiver dryer, which is really wet too. But so new receiver dryer, new condenser, and then hopefully we'll be good to go with AC since it's getting hot. All right, this is what it looks like, totally falling apart. So let's see if the universal one that I got from actually from O'Reilly, if it fits. I'm gonna take some parts off. Looks kind of rusty. All right, old one and new one. Looks like some of the mounting things are kind of a little bit different, but I think it's gonna work. Definitely better shape than the one I got. So let's start removing stuff. I don't know. All right, you can see how the condenser is totally falling apart. Got the new receiver dryer, the old receiver dryer on there. Over to the rig. The receiver dryer is back behind, way down there. You probably can't see it, but it's down there. Got the new condenser in there. Wasn't that difficult. It doesn't take too long. There we go. So it's all in there, mounted up. Got the grill back in, the headlights back in and stuff, so it's good to go. So now I just have to recharge it. And since it was empty, I'll have to wait till Monday for that one. But yeah, she's all in there. I think it looks pretty decent. Not too bad of a job. You gotta make sure when you do these things, you gotta place a condenser, you gotta do the receiver dryer because that takes the moisture out and stuff. And then also you try and leave the system plugged up as long as you can. And if you do have to open it up when you do, try and plug them off, plug off the port so it doesn't get any moisture in there. While I was at it, I had the opportunity to fix my wire for my one horn. Only had one horn going because the connector went bad. So there's a bad connector, and I got rid of it and just put a regular female receptacle on there. So she's good to go. She have a double horn now. So anyway, she's good to go. Ready for some AC recharge and first leak down test.